Greetings, wonderful well-beings. How you guys doing out there today? It's day 3 of the water fast. Second water fast, round 2. 11-day water fast. I am Keys, and I forgot to talk yesterday about what happened earlier yesterday. Nighttime came and I made my video, and I didn't even think about what had happened earlier that day. Well, now it's happened again, so now it's like, oh yeah, I didn't even talk about that in my video. So my car has been not cranking lately. I'm just sitting in my car right now. It's hot. I went to the gym today, and when I came out, my car wouldn't crank. Yesterday it happened when I woke up. I woke up and I was parked at a Quick Trip, and I woke up and my car wouldn't crank. So this is like the third time happening. Last week it happened, but okay, when it happened last week, I was also at the gym. I had just finished I actually just went and took a shower, and I was gonna go walk around the park, and I tried to crank my car and it wouldn't crank. And I stayed positive, and I was like, okay, well, something's gonna happen. This is just a test. And at that point I was eating, so literally all I wanted to do was eat. I didn't want to deal with the anxiety, and I really didn't get mad or anything, but I subconsciously I did, because all I wanted to do was eat. So I walked across the street to the mall, and I went and got a salad. I didn't eat anything unhealthy. I got a salad. And I just went back to my car and ate it, and I was just like, something's gonna happen. I don't know exactly how, but I'm gonna get out of this. I'm not even worried about it. So, I kind of use food to aid my anxiety at the moment. That was last week. But then yesterday when it happened, I just stayed positive, because I think it's my battery. My battery's dead. I need a new battery. So yeah, I should have been got it or whatever, but yeah. So yesterday when it happened, I just stayed positive, and I was like, well, last week when it happened, I got a jump, and it didn't work. These guys tried to help me. They jumped my car, and it didn't work. And that's why I just really chilled, and after that, that's when I went to go get a salad, and I was chilling, something's gonna happen, something's gonna work out. So I really have faith that it will work out, even though the jump didn't work at first. Later on, I walked across the street to the store, and I tried to see if it was my gas, and I had bought a gas tank and everything, one of those little red things from the store, and got some gas and tried to put it in my car. It didn't work. It wasn't the gas. So I asked another guy, I don't know, it just was really random, for a jump, and to see if it would work, because the first guy, he didn't have the red and black plugs. He only had the red one. So I'm like, maybe if I find somebody who has actually the red and black on their car, it will work. So I asked another guy, and he jumped me, and it was instant. It instantly worked. So yeah, yesterday when it happened, I was really positive, because I knew that all it maybe needed was a jump to get going. So I was just I was cool. When I woke up and it didn't crank, I was like, okay, another test I see during my fast. Okay, I can't eat, but I did have that little feeling of anxiety of damn, can't even eat right now, to calm myself. So I just stood outside the Quick Trip and just asked random people if they had jumper cables, and one guy, like direct TV cable man or something, he had a van, and he just like helped me, and like my car instantly started. So I was like, there we go. I stayed positive, even though, in those situations, people might like, our first instinct is to like be like, fuck, like, to think very negative. But like, what's the point of thinking negative? That's not gonna help the situation at all. It's only gonna make it worse. So I'm like, I had to just stay positive. So yeah, right now I actually I woke up from a nap because like when I came out here, I tried to crank my car again with the kajigga didn't work. So I was like, I was actually tired already because I had like finished reading my book in the gym and stuff, and I was like already feeling like tired. So when I came in my car and it didn't work, I was just like, all right, I'm about to take a nap because I'm gonna deal with this later. So yeah, I'm just waking up really from a nap, and I haven't really tried to get help yet, but I know it's gonna work out. It's gonna work out. Um, so yeah, I'm just chilling here. Don't know who that is. Whoever calling me from this private number, just stop it. Email me if you really want to get in contact with me. Email me because nobody can contact me. I don't know who called me from a private number. Like, anyway, oh yeah, too. I can't get direct messages on Instagram because I don't have the app. I told you guys. There's really no way to contact me other than my email. I didn't tell you guys, but I'm telling you guys now. There's no way to contact me other than my email because I can't download apps because I have an old cheap phone, right? But at first, when I got my phone, I was able to download more apps, and I even got an SD card. But for some reason, my phone is not letting me. It's not letting me download apps, and I actually had to delete some apps in order. I had to delete all my apps, and I only have my Uber app, but my phone will not allow me to download more apps. So like, I had apps before, then I deleted them for more space to make room for other apps. Then in doing that, I couldn't download any more apps. So anyway, I don't have any apps on my phone, and I can't get any more than the Uber app. So I can't check my DMs on Instagram. So like, really, if you want to get in contact with me, like, my email is in the description box because that's the only way. But yeah, we out here. I just wanted to tell you guys my story. Day 3 of my water fast and how it's going and everything. It's hot out here. I could go back in the gym, like I'm right outside the gym. I could go back in there and chill, whatever. But I should ask that guy if he had jumper cables, man. But anyway, yeah, we're gonna get it right. We're just gonna get our cable. I mean, get a new battery. Yeah, I'm still very blessed and thankful for everything I have. Like, it'll pass. It's just a testing times. You know what I'm saying? But that is all, guys. How are you guys doing out here today on day 3? It's rough. Nah, it's not rough. It's day 3. It's still pretty cool. I did wake up kind of weak though, like, but I really can't blame that on like the fast. I don't know, or maybe I'm weak because I didn't eat, but I feel okay now. So, but that's it, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this video off. I will see you guys in the next video tomorrow. I didn't do a weigh-in, guys, either, because I know I gained weight before I started this fast back from ending the last one. I know I gained some of those 18 pounds back before I started this new one, but I'm not sure. I didn't weigh myself. But anyway, we just gonna see. I'm gonna just weigh myself again at the end of this one. So, all right, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you all are having a better day than me. I'm not gonna look at it as a bad day, but it is challenges going on. So, hope you guys are just staying strong and getting through the day. You already know. We win in wellness. Love you guys. Hope everybody's doing good out there, staying strong. And I will see you guys in another video. Possibly tomorrow. Yes. Yeah, for sure.